In the grand picture, what VLS does is we help ensure that people have access to justice who can't afford it. We handle landlord-tenant cases, we handle family law matters, we handle providing simple wills for people, we handle getting guardianship for people, we handle cases that are consumer matters where someone's been ripped off by somebody.
You don't really know what's going on out there, and then when you start to see what's really happening to people, it is just shocking. It is shocking, and it's so rewarding to be able to help out.
She had been bullied, and she needed somebody who could stand up for her. She needed somebody that could make her recognize, realize that she was a great person, a great mom, and that she was entitled, and her children were entitled to certain things.
It was a very stressful time because, as I said, I had a lot of balls to juggle at the same time, and I thought, how do I pay all these bills when the money is there, but I can't even touch it?
When you have that type of situation where you see somebody who's gone through this with their spouse and they've had a long illness, it really touches you.
Made a claim with the insurance company, and things was going fine. Were going fine to move out, but after we got out, then the insurance company didn't want to pay for the repairs to be done. We were actually going to be, I felt like, homeless. They were trying to make us homeless.
VLS is critical. There are situations like this, but there are hundreds of situations across a number of different ways that people are wronged, that they need help.
Generally, they free you up to volunteer legal services does so that you can just provide the legal services for the client and you don't have to worry about anything else that goes with it.
It's hard stepping into a courtroom and you don't know what you're stepping into without an attorney.
It's scary to think where things might have gone, had I not had any support, and he had the resources to back himself up and I didn't.
I hope that experience gave you a little more faith in the system, that you don't need to worry about someone coming in and taking your children away simply because someone else has more money.
All I could do was try to find a pretty card and write kind things in it. That's all I could do, but I did that.
That meant a lot. I mean, not only did she write a letter to us, but she wrote a letter to VLS that they forwarded on, and still look at it occasionally to help remind us why we do what we do. So she was very appreciative.
I appreciate that more than you can know.
Oh, good.
What VLS does is we change people's lives. I mean, we give them a new course of direction, and they can go forward in their life in a way that they hadn't been able to, with peace of mind, with money that they haven't had before, with medical care that they haven't had before. It's a life-changing experience for them.